Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I have a very easy tutorial about how to draw a tree, a maple tree to be specific. All you need is a sheet of paper, watercolors, brush and a couple of earbuds. But before that, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Now let's get started. Draw the trunk and branches of the tree with a mixture of black and brown color. I'm using a round brush with size 0. Don't bother about making a perfect shape because trees have irregular shapes in general. This is how you have to join the earbuds to make the leaves. Now let's start painting the leaves with orange color. Don't forget to paint some fallen leaves as well. Now dab some yellow color on the same side of the earbuds for the colors to blend well. Then use the other side of the buds and dab on with lemon yellow to make it vibrant. This one is the last step. Dab on some white color. Our maple tree is ready. Yay! It was quite easy, right? I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Ta-ta!